Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the top 5 web browser. So each and every of these web browser, they all range from their uniqueness, and they are all inbuilt, and they have their area of specialization that makes them stand out from every other web browser. So I'm going to start from the countdown of number 5. So the first web browser I'm going to talk about is Vivaldi browser. So Vivaldi browser is a private web browser with all the feature tools you need built in and unmatched level of customization. You can simply download Vivaldi for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac. So it's all available on all these type of system software that we're talking about. So if you want to install for the Windows, just go to vivaldi.com/desktop. Then you have the version of the Mac for the Windows, and if it is for Linux, do the same thing. Your operating system will definitely detect the one that's suitable, that works and suitable for your system. So if you are also a Mac user, do the same at the same time. And if you are a Linux user, just go to the web browser and search for Vivaldi, and it will definitely bring that. I'm talking about Vivaldi. It has a different overview. Vivaldi is a high customizable browser aimed at power users. It contains flexibility with privacy and available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. There are different key unique features that make the Vivaldi web browser stand out and make it more unique in its own capacity. The first thing is the customization. It allows users to tweak themes, tab placement or shortcuts and extensively. Another thing about Vivaldi browser is the unique tab management. Features tab stacking, so you can manage your tab in Vivaldi. You can also use some built tools such as built-in email client, calendar, and note-taking app. So if you're the kind of person that maybe you're definitely working on a project using the browser and you quickly need to take a note, you don't have to go outside the web browser just to get a note. You can use the inbuilt notebook from the web browser and use it. And also there's a level of privacy oriented, no data tracking, and robust privacy settings. So if you are the kind of person that prefer the privacy level of your video, this is okay for you. And also I think you might like to check this out. So the second countdown, another web browser we're talking about is Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is built on the Corinium engine, offering fast performance and deep integration with Windows and Microsoft service. It supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So if you really want to download this, it is more available for you. You can just go to www.windows.com/Edge download, and you will find the one that works perfectly for your operating system. So if you are a Mac user, just tap on download for Mac OS, and if it is on Apple, you can simply download it to your iOS, and if it is on Android, you can simply download. You can also use the barcode to scan the download. And if you're a Windows user, because currently I'm running this on a Windows, so this is where to download for your operating systems. And don't forget, it also works perfectly for Linux. And these are the uniqueness, what makes the browsers stand out among other browsers, which is the vertical tab, immersive reader mode, performance tools such as sleeping tab, and other system analysis resources, and also Microsoft integration synchronization with the OneDrive and Office 365, which is the Microsoft Office service, which is cool. And also there are other special features in the Microsoft Edge that make it more easier, like a reward for using Microsoft browsers, which is the reward coin that is from the Microsoft Office. So this is a wonderful web browser for you to use. And the next web browser is Brave. Brave is a smart way search engine which is really cool, and you might want to use it. Brave is a privacy focused browser designed to provide a faster and more secure browsing experience. It is available for Windows as well, macOS and Linux, but the main focus of Brave browser is privacy level. They are all main focused on privacy level. So if you're a type of person that is more concerned about your privacy on the internet, you might want to check in for this particular browser. Brave browser. It is very okay and reliable. It has one of the best unique features you can use online. It has a inbuilt ad blocker. You can use it, and once you use it, it automatically blocks ads for trackers and faster and cleaner browser. It's also privacy focused. It also has a reward program system, so if you use the browser, you definitely get reward. It also has the high speed of operating system, faster than many browsers, and it's awesome. So if you want it, just go to brave.com. Then you can also use some prompt about the browser. Which is pretty cool. And the next in line is Google Chrome. Google Chrome is one of the most highly recognized browser all over the world. The browser is built to be yours, so it is people's browser. Let me just use it like it is people's browser. Chrome is one of the most popular web browser. Like I said, it is people's browser because it is extremely popular. Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browser, known for its speed, simplicity, and extensive extension library, compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. So you have no barrier when it comes to using Google Chrome. It works perfectly on Windows, Linux, and Windows. So it depends on type of operating system you are using, and this don't have anything to worry about. It works perfectly. So these are the unique features of the Google Chrome. You can use Google Chrome in case if your main concern is on speed and performance. With a simplicity, you might check in for Google Chrome, and also extensive extension. So if you're the kind of person that loves adding extensions in browsers to make your work more easier, you can check in for this. You can also use the Google ecosystem integration to seamlessly advance your work. It also frequently updates, regular security and functional updates almost every time. It also has the developer tools, which makes it more powerful and efficient for your daily activities. And here comes the number one, which is the top one, which is Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is an open resource browser widely recognized for its strong privacy features and extensive customizability. It works seamlessly across Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it has a different uniqueness in functionalities, which is the privacy focused, opening resources, transparency in its code, marking in a favorite among privacy conscious users. It's also customizability. It is customizable. It is also a one-time well-performing web browser, which makes it stand out, and it optimized for speed and resource efficiency, especially suitable for Linux user. So this is actually work faster and more efficient if you are a Linux user, but it also work seamlessly on other operating system, Windows or macOS. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.